startup incubator, nothing feels better than watching your startups reach heights. Here at Assam Startup Connect, it's a very special day today as one of our startups, One Stop Kitchen from our first cohort, has launched their food application today. Now regarding the application, they have infused a number of brands, not just one, not just two, but 5 brands under the umbrella. I have the founders today with me, Abhilash Borua and Rahul Hazarika. But before that, I must tell you to go to the Play Store, Google Play Store, download the app, and just treat yourself to some delectable coffee. So, being the launch today, the special day, so Rahul and Abhilash are going to treat us on some really yummy food. So, I can see the packet already here. I don't know what's inside right now, but the packet already looks really yum. So, tell us more about it and tell us more about the application.
Unboxing.
Rahul, please do the honors. You should unbox it first, let the people also see.
Okay. So we got here, the first thing we got over here is here is a welcome coupon for you.
Alright.
So you can use the coupon code,
okay,
and you can avail the offers, you can avail the discounts or coupons or whatever it is. So once you download,
okay,
and this is applicable for all the brands which are available, not for one single app.
Alright. So we'll talk about the brand later on.
Yes.
So let us see what.
Second one is we got over here is that all the cutleries and all the tissues which are there in this packet itself.
Yeah.
Now the star of the unboxing section is the food.
So this is special packaging for this event only.
Okay.
So this we call this category as a box of happiness. So the name itself,
I'm happy.
It's itself says, so that's why we have named it as a box of happiness.
Yeah.
So the when it comes to One Stop Kitchen is all about fusion of fusion foods.
Yeah.
So I don't want to serve the normal butter chicken or say tikka masala to people because people are already bored. I won't say bored, but they're easily accessible everywhere. I want to please the taste buds with something which is very unique and very new and very fresh for people. So here we are inculcating different cuisines, different food, and then we're bringing in a completely whole new
So when you
experience
talk of fusion, can you give me some examples?
Say I have this we have this product called Italian momos where we pan fry the dim sums, and then we cook it in a bechamel sauce, which is a white pasta sauce.
Yeah.
So that is one of them. Then we are trying to bring in burgers with more of local taste. So the patty is more of like a tandoori flavor, or it can be even a Indo-Chinese flavor as well. So we have the authentic burgers, and then we are trying to bring in these as well.
Trying to mix, I think, ethnic with continental.
Yes.
Like let's say something like bamboo shooted pork with something continental, like maybe a pasta, or maybe we're trying a few different flavors.
So we spend most of the time R&D, research and developing the food product. So I don't think anyone does that. So we have a proper R&D team, and we do R&D.
And the best way we do R&D is basically events. So we have those food events, right? This time it's not happening, but when we have those food events like a soup fest or a momo festival, we try on new products and we see people accepting it, then we bring it on the menu.
Okay, so who is the connoisseur here? I mean, who rigs the brains and comes up with
I think Rahul is the premier one who actually brings a lot of dishes.
Okay.
But then again, recent additions we have built on the team is Abhishek and Vishal. So they are curating the whole new menu with something like wings is there, crust wings is there, then burgers are there.
So we have this buffalo wings, which is one of our top sellers. So it sells like anything, like it sells like anything.
We had the buffalo wings.
Yeah.
It's really yum.
Yeah.
Okay, like talking about the brands now, we have 5 brands infused under One Stop Kitchen. So tell us more about it in details.
Yeah. So the reason behind is because see, right now there's a lot of the market is wide and there's a lot of audiences we have to cater to, right? But then there's no proper segmentation as well. So and there's no proper platform where people, the customers can avail everything in one app. So the idea is to cater to different target audiences with different brands. The 5 different brands cater to different audiences. Let's say one caters to normal mobile go to foods, and the other for healthy foods and diets. The other one caters to your online supermarket grocery delivery.
Right.
So we have 5 brands already, which Rahul will explain the 5 brands.
I already talked about our flagship brand, which is One Stop Kitchen. Moving on to the next brand, it's House of Biryani. So you know, whenever you want to have biryani, you either have a group of people, you want to serve biryani, or it's a comfort. You share the food which is consumed most. So biryani is one of the most loved and consumed food product, and that's why we bring in the concept of ordering biryani in kilos.
Okay.
So 1 kilo of biryani can be consumed by 4 to 5 serves. So it can be served for 4 to 5 people. So you can order biryani in kilos. So we have Ambur biryani, we have Awadhi biryani, which is also known as Lucknowi biryani. Then we have the Hyderabadi biryani as well. So beside biryani, we also have a menu for kebabs as well, where we are trying to get in Galauti kebab and Tunde kebabs.
So
And
these dishes are not readily available in Guwahati, that I would say.
Yes.
Correct.
And also beside these are the traditional ones. So again, I told you that we want to come up with our own food products. So we are very soon we are bringing in biryani which is of tikka, or say boneless biryani. So the chicken will be completely boneless one. We have biryani bowls. So in a bowl you can have biryani, along with that you can have butter chicken.
Alright.
So the infusion, you can just imagine the infusion you have when you have butter chicken with or a paneer butter masala, or say with a karai chicken and the biryani rice. When you have it, you know how it's a completely gastronomical experience. So this is what about House of Biryani is all about. The coolest one which we have on our banner is Healthyco. So Healthyco, honestly, Healthyco was planned. I had this idea of Healthyco even before One Stop Kitchen. But then because of there's so much of technology is involved in Healthyco, so we took this 3 years of time to build on a technology. So imagine something which tracks your body requirements, something which tells you that this is going down or this is getting too much in your body, something which is going to tell you that you are lacking sleep, you're lacking water intake. That is when Healthyco comes in. Now we have our dietitians on board.
Alright.
And also before, like, there's an onboarding process now. Okay, so while onboarding, the app will be fetching your gender, your body current weight, your goals, do you have any specific medical conditions as well. So these all things will be fetched, and we are going to get this data to the dietitians. So our dietitians. So now everybody has a different requirement. Now your requirement is completely different than of mine. So we are going to go in that level of personalization, where we are going to curate a different menu for you, a different meal plan for you, and that means you can subscribe on a monthly basis.
So the problem right now in the city, I guess in Guwahati for sure, is that when you go to a gym, I think you are given a diet plan, right?
Yeah.
But maybe the adherence to the diet plan maybe is for 5, 6 days, because you have to make it yourself, right?
Exactly.
What if we
procure
provide
the products and everything?
What if we give you all the things that you require, like on a calorie count basis, on a daily basis, right? And the diet food doesn't have to be boring. It doesn't have to be boiled food, right? You have a specific amount of calories to intake.
Exactly.
Yes.
We'll make sure you intake that much of calories, but with a proper planning.
Another thing which we are also getting is that you can even track for specifically for women, for girls, for ladies, is that you can even track your period cycle.
Oh, that's really cool.
Yes. So the cycle. So our lifestyle has become so absurd in today's world that we eat anything. We don't have a specific cycle, and that is also hampering your period cycle as well.
Yeah.
So we are even going to take care of that as well.
Okay. Especially you see a lot of women going through PCOS.
Yes.
Yes.
We have.
So there will be very specific personal diets will be available with the help of our dietitian, right? So we'll have a proper medical report check and the analysis, and then we'll come food, because there are certain foods as well which are called like comfort food, right? There are certain calming foods as well which will calm your body, like the levels of enzyme, oxytocin and enzymes. So those kind of personalization we're trying to achieve, either through juices or maybe through meal plans.
Alright. And we have another brand, right?
Yes.
Tell us.
We have another one. This actually came as a blessing in disguise during the lockdown
It was
period.
the need of the hour.
It was a need of the hour. I never ever thought that I'll open something which is an online supermarket. So we know what happened in the last 6-7 months. The entire shutdown and the basic needs, where people were trying to get access of the basic needs. And that's how when we thought that let's do it on a temporary basis. Let's for say a month or two, let's run it. till we are back on track and all that. That's how we thought about. And then we suddenly saw that there's a huge potential, and that actually helped us to open and spread our wings as well by the infusion of OSK Plus. So the OSK is one-stop kitchen, and we are adding a plus. This is an extra add-on service we want to provide to customers.
So this is just grocery delivery?
No.
or-
It's not only about groceries. It's about besides groceries and all that, we have local food products as well, like the achar, the pork pickles.
Okay.
So we recently collaborated with this company called Hornbill Foods, which is from Nagaland. So we are getting those authentic Nagaland pork pickles and all that. We are available on our product on our list. We are getting pet supplies. We're getting pet
Alright.
supplies for dog food, for cat food, for pet toys as well. We are getting that as well, and we are we are going to deliver it in a single day itself.
Apart from that, I think seafood section is quite interesting as well.
Seafood also, we are getting mackerels, we are getting tuna, we are getting salmons, we have crabs, we have
Squids, we have
lobsters, we have
squids.
squids, we have everything. We are also getting health supplements as well, like proteins and vitamins and all the health supplements required.
So that's more like high-end departmental store.
Yeah,
plus
it's an
pharmacy
online
and
departmental
toasted.
store. It's an
I like
online
that.
department.
Then
You get everything.
we're trying to come up with ready to cook foods as well.
Okay.
Your own ready to cook and ready to eat.
Alright.
Let's say we have wings with some sauce, right?
Mhm.
You have to procure it and just fry it.
So
and
this
have
is
it.
it's been curated by One Stop Kitchen?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, and it will be sold under OSK Plus.
So anything related to food, we want to be there.
We are there.
Yes.
And also one more add-on service which we are adding very soon is that under the section of pet supplies, you can book a vet.
Oh, that's much needed.
Yes, you can book a vet, and the vet is going to come over to your place to check up your pets.
So many features. That's really cool.
Yes.
I'll actually check. Go and check the. I just had an overall view, but I didn't
Yes.
check it that deep.
Yes.
Anyways, now coming to being incubated at the Nest.
Yes.
It's been over a year now.
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, how has been the journey, or how has Nest been instrumental in your success?
So,
If at all.
no, actually,
Yeah, I think
to be honest, Nest came into our journey when we were thinking to scale up, but then we didn't have any idea how to make it big. It was just a firm. It was just a kitchen. From the development, the journey from a kitchen to a startup to a company,
the food super app.
the food super app now.
So I think that journey of like 42 months, I think Nest has been there for at least
Nest is
18,
still
yeah.
there. Nest is
and
still
you
there.
have
Nest
support,
will be
and the
there.
Nest has supported us, I think, in a very large manner because as even like people who have done an MBAs outside, but then again, we still don't have the nook and crannies of like.
Remember
how to
those
do
times when we used to cry and crib about that we don't have any accelerator over
Yeah.
here, we don't have any incubation
Exactly.
center over. No, actually, we used to.
No, see, the narrative of that the startup culture is present in Assam, that people of Assam can do something,
Right.
taking entrepreneurship in a different level, right? Not like Bewokai will take it. So that level has
Yes.
come up, and the narrative has been provided by Startup Nest with the collaboration of government.
And also,
And CIP.
honestly, we remember we were passing by over here and we saw this startup Nest. We both were there. We were going somewhere, and we were like, "Wow, what is this about?" The startup
Let's-
Nest. We did some research, okay,
Okay.
and we thought that okay, this is again some another show of wala thingy and all that. No, honestly, I'm being honest with you. Then we were like, we then met Pranjal sir.
Huh.
Pranjal sir came to an event. It was in Khanapara.
Yeah.
Okay, it was a food event, food festival.
Okay.
We had a
there.
we had a stall over there.
Alright.
Pranjal sir came over, and then Pranjal talked about this Nest and all that, and I was like, I saw that because we obviously, I was never sure that something this serious will come into a place like Guwahati and a place like
Right.
Assam. Then sir went there, we met sir, and then we were like, okay, let's drop in by. Then when we came in, then we know that okay, this
and
is something.
the tedious process of selection, right?
Right,
Cohort
right,
one,
right.
around 1,000 applicants being selected of the top 50, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
going through 6 months of like
The rigorous boot camps
the
and
boot
No,
camp
that's
and
what
stuff
we
like-
were
so I think
actually.
we learned a lot. There.
Yeah, we actually that was again, as I'm saying that Nest came into our lives in that moment when we were like lagging behind, and we thought that okay, yeah, chalta hai wala jo attitude hai na, we were already getting into that wala thing. But when we saw that okay, there's something which is helping us, and this is the best opportunity any startup can get. And then we started putting up our
And
shops.
I think the most important factor was that we were trying to shift from one single revenue and business model to
Exactly.
multiple ones.
Exactly.
And we didn't have expertise regarding that.
We didn't have the
And
expertise.
even I think the team from IMCIP and the Nest as well, you guys, I think you have supported in letting us know that you can do multiple things at times.
Yes.
Right. So I think that was very important to give us a boost of confidence that you can do multiple things.
Yes.
So Abhilash and Rahul, you guys have got raised the first series of funding as well from Netpeer. You have also got the Masi grant. So keeping that aside, and apart from the networking connects, talking about the mentorship alone, if I ask you, like, what was that one big input or suggestion or anything, insight from a mentor, what would that be?
So I think there was a certain session where to present a pitch, the final few sessions. Okay. So and then I was presenting this. I was not presenting. I was presenting sitting at the table only.
Right.
But then again, I think Gaurav sir was there or something from ICM. And people were asking, "Ki, how was your pitch? How was everyone's pitch?" And Gaurav said to say, "Ki, how was it?" And Gaurav said one simple thing: "They are almost there."
Okay.
So that kind of a small validation, right, from you guys, like supporting us, ordering from us is the greatest support we can get, right? So those kind of small supports, I think, gave us a boost of confidence that yes, let's go ahead.
Yes, that's nice. Well, I must say that this is just the beginning of the journey.
Yes.
It's not the
just
end.
the start. We're just starting.
Yes.
We're starting here. We want to be the forefront of food tech revolution here in the city.
Definitely, not just in the city. Like Karan sir said a while back, we want you to be in the national scene as well.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mehnat.
Mehnat. And we are always there. I'm Calcutta Innovation Park and Assam Startup and the Government of Assam will always be there with you. That's a promise. Thank you so much and congratulations once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.